Ice cream sandwiches are great, but to update the classic a bit with a full-flavored fruit sherbet sandwiched between large, soft, and chewy sugar cookies is an excellent alternative. They are good, so I like to make the size that requires both hands, and I can cut the sandwich in half to share with a friend. Start by making a lemon sugar cookie recipe. Portion the cookies with a large scoop, about 45 grams. Roll the dough in your hands to make round balls, and roll in cane sugar to coat the entire surface. Then spread them out evenly on a lined baking tray and bake them in a preheated 350 Fahrenheit or 177 Celsius oven for 10 minutes. If you like a soft and tender lemon sugar cookie, they will be done when they are flat, starting to brown and look slightly undercooked in the middle. But you can leave them in the oven for another minute or two for a crispier cookie. Allow the lemon drop cookies to cool, then prepare a recipe of the kiwi coconut sherbet filling and freeze in a gelato machine. When the kiwi coconut sherbet has thickened and is coming away from the bottom of the bowl, scoop the sherbet into a piping bag with a large star tip. Then pipe a layer onto the cookie and add another cookie on top. Place the sherbet sandwich on a tray and freeze hard. When you are ready to plate your dessert, cut the cookie in half and arrange on a plate. Garnish with a few slices of kiwi fruit, a dusting of vanilla icing sugar, and a sprig of fresh mint.